What's the meaning of chakra? Chakra. Chakra.
Chakra. Chakra. Chakra refers to the 7 energy centers in the human body according to Hindu and Buddhist beliefs. These energy centers are believed to regulate physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Each chakra is associated with a specific color, element, and characteristic, and blockages or imbalances within these energy centers can lead to physical or psychological issues. Chakra healing practices aim to restore balance within the body by clearing any blockages and promoting the flow of energy through each chakra. Overall, chakra is a concept related to holistic health and well-being in traditional Eastern medicine.